Well, this is why I don't go to concerts, okay? So apparently somebody took it upon themselves to make a ruckus at A3C while Lil Wayne was on stage, and this has nothing really to do with Lil Wayne. This is just how festivals go sometimes. Somebody, I don't know if it was a brawl or a shootout or something, but it appears that everyone and Martin Luther King, now nobody was really hurt badly. It was minor injuries, like people stepping on ankles and stuff. APD, Atlanta, PD put out a statement saying, they're looking into it. Lil Wayne, hoped everybody was safe on Twitter as he was rushed off stage at around 9:15. He's also booked at Live tonight in Miami, so obviously he's on his jet on his way to Live. He's probably already in Miami, back in Miami right now for Live, because Live, that probably starts around 1. So anyways, let's get into this. Break down I'll give you all the facts. This is Jordan Tower with JT News. Hit that bell, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because when the news breaks, we fix it here at JT News. Okay, so there was chaos inside the A3C festival, and something must have happened where everybody just started running, or it could have been just a reaction where maybe a brawl broke out. Some people started running, then everybody started running. But it is what it is. They're looking into it. Only people with, people got ankle injuries and stuff like that. And, I think Dipset was supposed to perform tonight. I don't know if Wu-Tang was tonight or tomorrow night. It was a bunch of people performing. But A3C is officially a wrap. But, Lil Wayne was probably the last act to go on. Everybody else was opening for Wayne, since Wayne is the top artist right now with Carter 5 out. Anyways, this is a wrap. I mean, there's nothing really more to report. Wayne's safe. Everybody's safe. And it is what it is. Anyways, guys, the show must go on. This is Jordan Tower, JT News. Hit that bell, hit the subscribe button. If you do go out to concerts, always be safe, because anything could happen. The security's not always the greatest at these concerts. Hit that bell, because when the news breaks, you want to be notified, because when the news breaks, we fix it here at JT News. Peace.